Over time, battery cable ends can become corroded, worn, or damaged, leading to potential starting issues or electrical problems. Replacing automotive battery cable ends may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, materials, and guidance, it's a project that even beginners can tackle. Before beginning the replacement process, it is essential to identify the signs that indicate the need for new battery cable ends. Here are a few of them. Visible corrosion or buildup on the cable ends, difficulty in removing or tightening the cable ends, loose or wobbly connections, dimming headlights or electrical issues, and difficulty starting the engine or slow cranking. If you or your customer notice any of these signs, it may be time to replace them. Working with automotive batteries and electrical systems can be dangerous if proper precautions aren't taken. Here are some essential safety measures to follow. Park the vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery cable first to prevent potential short circuits. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect the eyes and hands from potential battery acid exposure. Keep open flames and sparks away from the battery to prevent explosions. Safety should always be your top priority when working on a vehicle. Now that you've identified the need for replacement, it's time to get your hands dirty. Follow these steps to remove the old battery cable ends. Locate the positive and negative battery terminals. Using the appropriate size wrench, loosen the nut or bolt securing the negative cable end to the battery terminal. Once loose, carefully remove the cable end. Repeat the same process for the positive cable end. Inspect the battery terminals for any corrosion or buildup. If present, use a wire brush or sandpaper to clean the terminals thoroughly. Before installing the new battery cable ends, it's essential to prepare them properly to ensure a secure and long-lasting connection. Here's how. Carefully inspect the new cable ends for any defects or damage. Using a utility knife or wire stripper, remove a small portion of the insulation from the cable end, exposing the bare copper wire. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease or battery terminal protector to the exposed copper wire and the inside of the cable end. This will help prevent future corrosion and ensure a better connection. With the old cable ends removed and the new ones prepared, it's time to install them properly. Start with the positive cable end. Position it on the positive battery terminal and secure it with the nut or bolt. Tighten it firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the terminal or cable end. Repeat the process for the negative cable end, securing it to the negative battery terminal. Once both cable ends are installed, give them a gentle tug to ensure they are securely fastened. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease or battery terminal protector to the exposed metal surfaces of the cable ends and terminals. This will help prevent future corrosion and ensure a longer lifespan for the connections. By following these steps carefully, you've successfully installed the new battery cable ends, ensuring a reliable electrical connection for the vehicle. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.